Going back to Cali, about to go get a bounce of smoke. They told me to come.
I'm thinking the Urus is attracted to our shop. We've been getting these back to back to back. We're doing a KPMF. This is gonna be a special color. I'm not gonna tell you guys the color yet. It's not just getting the wrap though. We're putting it 24-inch 4 Giatos. This is our Monday project. We got a lot more going on. We're gonna go over it now.
I needed some shit with some something to pop.
Hey, how you doing? Wait, we gotta help these guys out first. This is difficult, man. He got the car in Africa. He wants the same blue on this Volkswagen. I don't know how we're gonna help him. Maybe I give you the paint code, and then you go over there and you give him the paint code. All right. Took care of these guys, man. Yes, sir. Thank you. I would have painted it here, but the car's in Africa. I will bring it here too. You know we do shipping. Bring it in my container. Bruno, it's busy outside, bro. I got people outside, I got cars to move around. What's going on? 1 hour ago, I see you eating, and now you eating again.
I need the power for working here.
He needs power, he gotta eat. And here she is, Godzilla, the GTR that we've been waiting for. I'm gonna let you guys see the color. This is a frozen chrome finish. Last time I showed you guys the paper, it was just in a regular shiny chrome. We had to custom make this paper because it was out of stock, but it looks so amazing. Bruno's back.
My friend Lay, my boss and my friend.
Yes, he wants me to forget how we were just sitting in the chair 2 seconds ago, right? You working or?
No, not working now. Yes, sir.
Oh, look who just walked in. This is my friend Carlos from around the corner.
This guy right here is an awesome guy.
GLS, finally getting the wrap applied. This is the SunTech Nano Self-Healing PPF. Everybody should protect their investment.
You better protect your protect. I hope you never forget.
If you like your original color, don't want to do a color change, the PPF is definitely the way to go.
I'm here to fix my bully horn.
No. He wants to add a bully horn in his car now. Let's hear that weak horn you got in there. You got a Mickey Mouse horn in the car. He did so much work, he doesn't know what to do, so now he wants to add a bully horn.
I'm to bully you, motherfucker.
Nah, come on. No cursing, man. No I told you, come on.
I didn't know we can't curse.
And every time I get him on the camera, he wants to curse. What's going on with you, man?
I apologize to the business and all the faithful viewers of the Auto Sports channel.
And for the 20th time today, Mr. Bruno hanging out once again.
Everybody likes talking to me.
Yeah, you gotta love him. You gotta love him, so you gotta let him rock.
What you think? This is what a dude just did to me. What you think?
This we could repair and we could paint it. After we repair it, we're definitely gonna have to paint it, but you don't gotta change the bumper.
I guess when y'all doing this, I want y'all to do a little spot everywhere.
I got you. Say no more. Bring it through, family.
Yeah,
We'll see you.
Thank you again.
All right, man. There you go. We're gonna save his bumper. He had a little minor stuff. See people like that, the ones that want to get their stuff fixed, little minor thing, he wants to change the bumper. I've seen guys come here, the whole bumper's cracked and destroyed, and then you tell them you got to change it, and they look at you funny. First you disappear for half an hour, and then you don't tell the guy, excuse me? Look, because you got your glasses on? Cafe, because it's from Starbucks? Oh my God, he's a bougie. I don't got my mask, but we gotta have mask on at all time. Oh, by the way, this is our upholstery department. Mr. Julio. So this is the Chevy Tahoe headliner. It's out the vehicle and it's getting the full custom starlight done to it. This is all the work, a lot of detail. These are all little fiber optic lights. We have all leather samples in stock. Everything is here. Everything gets done nice, neat, clean, and then goes back into the vehicle. Nothing gets done on the car, everything gets removed. You don't have to always do full upholstery. We also do seat repairs. Any minor scratches, scuffs in the seat, we're able to remove them. If you want to do just stitching or piping, as little as that, we can get it done for you. Same day, in-house, with all materials in stock. What are you hiding?
You hiding for the feds?
So what? What are you hiding?
Everybody needs to sanitize.
It's all right. Are we bringing in your car for the bully horn or what?
Not today, because I heard that you gotta remove the bumper.
Yes, we do gotta remove the bumper on certain vehicles to add the bully horn, especially that small little Nissan Juke. So When do you want to bring it in?
I would like to come on a Saturday.
On a Saturday. So we will accommodate you and make sure we get it done on Saturday, all
Thank
right?
you. That's why I love this place.
My man.
That's why I love
We
Lake.
take care of him. Oh, I almost busted my... Over here, for me, this is rim heaven. For Carlos, this is, what is this? This is his playground. Look, he got so many rims to pile and stack. Forgiato paradise in here. I think we got more Forgiatos than Forgiatos got Forgiatos. That don't even make sense. This is the spot to come to because we got them in stock. You'll get them to go today. We got the tires in stock, rims in stock, whatever you name it, we got it. Yo, if you start coming, we're gonna make you famous. Come on. Who are you? Come here. Now you walking away, right? Come here. Nah, I love that guy. I love him. The famous I8. This one here, we did the full wide body kit. We did the 3M Satin Pro white wrap. We did the 22-inch Lexani Resas on it. It's back in today for a bad reason. This particular I8 fell off of a flatbed and now the back of the car, I don't know who's paying for this, but we gotta fix it for him. It's raining, so it looks super dirty now, but I love this I8. We did a crazy one with this one. So we're gonna fix the bodywork on this right away. We're gonna give it back to the customer.